When you have big dream, best prep course is a major priority. Preparation seems very easy at first, until one day you feel that you cannot cover all the subjects. And you realize you should have had a better start. And this is where we come in. Introducing you a brand new, most effective, most flexible, most affordable and complete PE prep course in Nepal. How do we help? Well, we bring best teachers of the country, best learning management platform and best entrance resources to you so that you can start your BE, BR, BSc CSIT courses anywhere, anytime you want. What are the benefits? Well, PEA Mentors helps you to manage time, save money, boost your learning productivity, save extra traveling efforts, revise, relearn or start from level 0, enabling you to access any lecture you want 24 hours. Wake up aspirants, it's a new world and you need new methods of learning. How do you get to the platform? Well, download the app, sign up, select your course and get started. It's that easy. No matter who you are, where you are, if you want to get the best BE prep course, we are here to make it happen by helping you at your every step. Get your app, PEA Mentors.